To use Message Assistant, you want to start by either writing a few prompts or ideas, maybe some bullet points, or even a very rough draft of the message you want to create. Simply enter it into the message section. From here, you want to filter your audience, either resident contacts or staff, if you have the staff add-on. And from here, you'll see 3 prompts. Correct message, which is a spelling and grammar check. Improve message will make your prompt a little more fulsome and create that full message you're looking for. And shorten message, which again, if you feel it's too long or you've written too much, will shorten it for you. So we're going to choose improve message to start off. It's going to look at what you've asked it to do, and it's going to generate a message. So from here, you can see we now have an invitation to a flu shot clinic with a subject line. You'll need to go in and fill in any dates, times, or locations that it's noted. If you're not really impressed with this message or you still want something more, you can use the free text field to add further instructions or guidance, whether it's who your audience is, the tone of your message, or something like adding a greeting. You can see one is missing here. We'll hit submit. It's going to consider your request and add it to the message. You can see now we have a greeting, and at any time you can click undo to go back to any previous versions of your message.